factorize this particular expression. That is, we need to write it in a form of product of things. So let's analyze the question by writing it. So we have 2 root 2 a cube. So it has to do with cube. This is 8b cube. Yeah, 8 is 2 cube, very clear. 27 c cube, again very clear, this is also cube, plus 18 root 2 abc. And yes, it's very clear, it's related to an identity, right? So which identity is that? Is it not, guys? It's very simple, the longest one. Okay, so we are looking at the identity, yes, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, which is equal to a plus b plus c into a square, right, plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Close the brackets. And now we just need to talk about what is a and b and c over here. So a is not clearly a, no, b is also not clear, c is also not clear. Let's do it one at a time. So let's begin with 2 root 2 a cube. So how will we go about doing this? So first thing is 2 root 2, which can be written as 2 to the power of 1 into root 2, that is 2 to the power of half, right? So again, go back to your list, it will help. Root of anything is a to the power of that. Next thing is we need to add the powers. So this will be 3 by 2. I won't show all the steps, right? This is as per, where is it? This, okay? Same base, different power, add them up. And now I'll do something weird. Root of 2, or I'll write this as, let me do this actually. Let me show it step by step. Half the whole cube. How did I do this? With the help of the identity a to the power of n whole to the power of m, which is a to the power of n into m. Okay guys, right? Agree? Close the brackets. That's what we have used over here, the reverse of it, is it not? This is this and this is this. We just use the reverse of it, nothing else. Okay, be clear with this. But root of anything is nothing but root of 2 the whole cube. And so we can write 2 root 2 a cube as what? Root 2 cube a cube, which is nothing but root 2 a the whole cube. Okay, so that's your identity, that's it. So a to the power of n into b to the power of n is ab whole to the power of n, right? So these are your set of identities, and that's how you can reduce this. This is the most complicated thing. Other things are very simple, you guys can do it, it's not that tough, I know. You guys will be able to do that. So we have 8b cube, which can be written as 2 cube b cube, which is nothing but 2b the whole cube. Okay, so related formula is written over here, so you need not bother about this. And the last one is minus 27 c cube, which can be written as minus 3 the whole cube c cube, which is minus 3c the whole cube. And then we can conclude a is root 2 a the whole cube, b is 2b cube, and c is minus 3c the whole cube. Okay, so that would be your ABC, that's it. And now what we have to do, all we have to do is rewrite. So we have to rewrite this expression to look something like this. So this would be a cube plus b cube plus minus c the whole cube. Okay, you guys got this now, how I wrote minus 3c, 3 cube, because any odd number raised to the power of, any negative number raised to the power of odd is minus 1 into that, right? So on and so forth. So this I have done the opposite of it. So there was a negative term outside the brackets, I got it inside the brackets. So that also has to be very clear. Okay, next is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus, let me write it over here, 3 into, just copy this, don't think too much, 3a b c. Don't think too much, it will map to this, both will be the same. You have worked hard till here and now you can just relax a bit and just copy things. And now again you need to work hard from this point. No, the next one. This is nothing but a plus b plus c. Open the brackets, close the brackets, into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus c a. Close the bracket. Okay, and now we have the final answer to be what? Root of 2a plus 2b. We have to further simplify all of this, put it in a better manner. Plus of minus is minus 3c. If not, they won't give the last half mark. Root of 2a square is what? 2a square. If you guys don't know how to do that, so again, root 2a the whole square is root 2 square into a square. Why? Because of the identity a to the power of ab whole to the power of n is a to the power of n into b to the power of n. It's somewhere over here. Okay. So root and 2 will get cancelled. That logic is explained clearly over here. Because square is 2, root is half, so 2 by 2 is 1. This will be 2a plus 4b square. Agree? Plus of minus 3c square is plus 9c square minus 2 root 2 bc, sorry, not bc, ab. Right? So always first look at the sign, then the numbers, and then the variable. The sign positive, 2 into 3 is 6 bc, and the last one, okay, so negative into negative is positive, 3 into root 2 is 3 root 2, c into a or ac, and we are done. Close the bracket. Okay, so this is your answer. So look at the way in which we have done it in an organized manner. Okay, so again, if you are able to understand this, or you don't have any confusion in this question, means your basics is decent enough, good enough. To be frank, if you are very clear with this, you are pretty much done with 9th grade algebra and arithmetic part. Right? This is the hardest part, honestly. Okay, so you can pause and have a look, and please see to that you learn the basics, right, from my content, from your teachers, from your tutors, from your friends, anyhow, hook or crook, you guys have to learn. Whoever it is, doesn't matter, right? So some other content developer, whoever it is, learn the basics. Without the basics, you won't be able to do the math. Right, guys? Okay, so you can pause and have a look.